Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn on post notification for specific Instagram accounts. Why would you want to know how to turn on post notification for specific Instagram accounts? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to turn on post notification for specific Instagram accounts. So today I am going to show you how to turn on post notification for specific Instagram accounts. Video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning on post notification for specific Instagram account is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will turn on post notification for specific Instagram accounts. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. And now open any Instagram account, and then in this new screen click on bell icon in the top right corner. And now you can enable these notifications by just clicking on toggle button next to these options, and then you can receive these notifications from specific Instagram accounts. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn on post notification for specific